Hi, my name is Courtney and I'm the Behavior Analyst for Team Fortune 404. This week we will be responding to an insider threat cybersecurity incident. The purpose of this presentation will be describing the process of responding to cybersecurity incidents. We will identify the personnel involved throughout a response. We will explore measures to limit or eliminate the scope of a cybersecurity event. We will critique existing response procedures at Goliath National Bank and provide more efficient methods. We will apply the NIST Framework response function to Goliath National Bank Insider Threat Mitigation Program. Insider threats are usually influenced by combinations of technical, organizational, and behavioral issues. Response should see collaboration between multiple departments to provide a detailed report of the incident. The first category will be response planning for the response function. Goliath National Bank policy requires all business associates, third-party vendors, and employees to report any and all security breaches. A solid response plan should be timely, descriptive, and able to provide an action plan on how to improve and prevent similar cybersecurity incidents. We will create a detailed response procedure that must be drafted, and every person involved must understand how their roles function. The second category we will be elaborating on is communications. We will outline procedures for investigating incidents. We will interview suspects and witnesses. We will document findings and evidence and analyze affected systems and see if the incident can be recreated. We will also outline procedures for reporting findings and decide when to escalate the incident for senior citizenship and decide when to get law enforcement involved. For analysis, in analyzing the insider threat incident, we will first determine if it was malicious or if it was inadvertent. In this case, if it was being unintentional, then we will further investigate whether or not a malicious attack was initiating the attack. We will establish digital forensics and network analysis tools that are able to identify the type and scope of the attack. Additionally, we will identify any information or assets that have been compromised. For mitigation, we will abolish access from the individual suspect to remove the risk of continued or new malicious activity. We will institute access control and monitoring of privileged users. We will deactivate computer access following termination. Finally, for improvements, which is the last category, we will develop a risk profile where we will identify the weakness of the system. We will analyze and classify data to be protected along with appropriate level of security. For training and testing, we will train and test the function of the incident response plan, which should be carried out periodically. In conclusion, we as a company are extremely committed to taking whatever security measures are necessary to prevent any intellectual property attack from occurring. If any intellectual property theft does occur, then we have included the steps that we will take in responding and in recovering from the